Are you having a party this Christmas? It might just be a family gathering, but there'll be something behind what's motivating you. Or you'll have put together some sort of theme for what the party is all about. I suspect that you'll have a pretty good idea where you're going to have the party and really why you're having it. And it may just be that you're getting friends and families together because it is Christmas. I suspect you'll have a very clear idea who you're going to invite and who will be involved in organising that party. I suspect you'll know what your budget is. And most of all, I expect you'll be really clear how you're going to let people know that you're having that party. It might be Facebook, or it might be an email, or it might actually be that you print some invitations. I've got a really good idea for a really quick way to look at your business planning for the coming year. Think of your business as a party and go through those steps. What's motivating you in your business? What's important? Why is your business there? Where is your business run from? Where do things happen? Who is involved in making the business work? And who are you inviting to come and be a customer of the business? Have you got a really clear idea of the right people to be your customers? Have you set a budget? Do you know what you're spending on what in order to attract people to your business? And most importantly, how are you telling people that your business is there? So this morning, it's really straightforward. It's a what, where, when, and how of your business to make a quick and easy business plan for 2018. So your exercise today, what is your business all about? Who are you inviting to your business? Who are your customers? Who is your business for? Where is your business functioning? Do you have premises? Or is it something you can bring to somebody else's premises? When is your business open for business? Is it just during the week, or is it weekends and evenings as well? And then write down some ideas around how you're going to tell people about your business. Is it through social media or emails, by word of mouth, or are you going to print some beautiful invitations and invite people to come along? Your simple, quick and easy party plan for your business plan for 2018.